Herkese merhaba. Ben Moji. Yeni dersimize hoş geldiniz. Hello everybody. This is Moji and I'm back with another grammar video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the verb want to. In Turkish, we have mek, istemek. Let us see. Istemek means to want. Let's see how we use it in positive, negative, positive questions and negative questions. You know the subject pronouns ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. Ben, I, sen, you singular, o, he or she or it, biz, we, siz, you plural, onlar, they. For positive sentences, istemek. What is the root here? The root is iste, right? So we say istiyorum, I want. İstiyorsun, you want. If you don't know what is iyorsun, check the video about present continuous. O istiyor, he, she, it wants. Biz istiyoruz, we want. Siz istiyorsunuz, you plural want, or you as a sign of being polite. Onlar istiyor or onlar istiyorlar. How we make it negative? Oh, don't go back. How we make it negative? İstemiyorum, I don't want. İstemiyorsun, you don't want. And you know that in Turkish, you don't have to use the in a sentence. You don't have to use the pronouns, personal pronouns. You just say istemiyorsun means you don't want. İstemiyor, she doesn't want, he doesn't want. İstemiyoruz, istemiyorsunuz, istemiyor or istemiyorlar. Positive questions, istiyor muyum? Do I want? İstiyor musun? Do you want? İstiyor mu? İstiyor muyuz? İstiyor musunuz? İstiyorlar mı? Or istiyor mu? Negative questions. İstemiyor muyum? Don't I want? İstemiyor musun? Don't you want? İstemiyor mu? İstemiyor muyuz? Don't we want? İstemiyorsunuz? Don't you want? And istemiyorlar mı? See, this is kind of different. İstemiyorlar mı? Don't they want? Let's see how we use it in how we use the verb istemek with other verbs in a sentence. So before that, we either can have an infinitive or a noun and then a conjugation of istemek. O tatlı istiyor. Tatlı is a noun. He, she or it wants dessert. Biz denize gitmek istiyoruz. Gitmek is an infinitive. And then the conjugation of istemek. What is the conjugation? The ones here we talked about, right? We can either use a noun or an infinitive just before them to make a complete sentence. Biz denize gitmek istiyoruz. We want to go to the sea. Deniz, sea. Denize, to the sea. Gitmek, to go. İstiyoruz, we want to go to the sea. Siz yeni bir telefon istiyorsunuz. Do you or you plural form. You want a new phone. Siz yeni bir telefon istiyorsunuz. You want a new phone. Telefon is a noun. Onlar oyun oynamak istiyorlar. They want to play games. Oyun oynamak. Oyun means games, a game or games. Oynamak means play. Oynamak is an infinitive and then conjugation of istemek. They want to play a game. Sen film or film izlemek istemiyorsun. You don't want to watch a movie. Film is a noun, izlemek is an infinitive. Infinitive and then conjugation of istemek. Siz yardım istemiyorsunuz. You don't want help. Sen ne istiyorsun? What do you want? Sen ne istiyorsun? Ne is like a question word. It's like a noun we can say. Biz eve gitmek istiyor muyuz? Do we want to go home? Biz eve gitmek istiyor muyuz? Do we want to go home? In English, we don't use any prepositions for home, but in Turkish we do. Ev means home, eve means like to home. But in English, you know that there is no preposition for home. Siz bir şey istiyor musunuz? Do you want anything? Bir şey, something or anything. Bir şey, şey is a noun. İstiyor musunuz is the conjugation of istemek. Onlar bu kitabı istiyorlar mı? Do they want this book? After watching this video, you'll be able to use this word istemek with different nouns and different other different verbs. It's just like English. The first verb is like gitmek. It's it comes in infinitive form, and we just conjugate the verb istemek into positive, negative questions, or whatsoever that you want. At different forms. You will study different forms later. That's all for this session, this lesson. Hope you make the most of it. If you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, leave us comments, and like the videos. Kendinize çok iyi bakın ve hoşça kalın.